5 years ago, I was making $78,000 a year. My wife made $42,000. Combined, $120,000. We should have been comfortable. Instead, we were broke every month. Stressed, fighting about money. No idea where it was going. So I did something extreme. I tracked every single dollar for 5 years straight. Every coffee, every tank of gas, every random Amazon purchase, everything. And what I discovered absolutely destroyed me. We were bleeding $2,180 per month on things we didn't even realize we were buying. That's $26,160 per year. Gone. Vanished. But here's what's crazy. Once I saw where the money was going, I couldn't unsee it. And that awareness added $112,000 to our net worth in 5 years. Same income. Just awareness. $112,000 difference. My name is Mike, and I'm about to show you the exact leaks in your finances that you don't even know exist. Because I guarantee you have the same ones I had. And before we dive in, hit that like button if you've ever gotten to the end of the month and thought, where did all my money go? Because that was me. Every single month. And subscribe, because I'm breaking down the exact categories that are draining your bank account right now, and you're about to see your own spending in a whole new way. Let me take you back to January 2020. I'm sitting at our kitchen table with my wife. We just looked at our bank account. $847 left until next payday. We made $120,000 last year. How is this possible? I tell her, we're tracking everything, every purchase, for at least 6 months. We're going to find out where this money is going. She thinks I'm crazy, but agrees. I create a simple spreadsheet. 7 categories: housing, transportation, food, entertainment, subscriptions, health, miscellaneous. Month 1 nearly kills me. I'm logging every purchase, every coffee, every online order. It's tedious, annoying, but the results? We spent $8,200 in month 1. Our take-home? $7,500. We went negative $700 in 1 month. And here's what really got me. We didn't buy anything big that month. No furniture, no appliances, no vacation. Just normal spending. So where did $8,200 go? I show my wife the numbers. She's shocked. That can't be right. We didn't buy anything. But that's exactly the problem. We bought 1,000 small things. None of them felt significant. All of them added up to financial disaster. By month 6, I've got patterns, clear patterns, and I'm horrified. Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, HBO Maximum, Spotify, YouTube Premium, Amazon Prime, 2 gym memberships we never used, a meditation app, a recipe app, cloud storage. I counted 14 active subscriptions. Total cost, $287 per month. That's $3,444 per year. For stuff we barely used. Half of them we forgot we even had. Drop a comment right now. How many subscriptions do you have? Be honest. Count them. You might be shocked. I cancel 8 immediately. Keep 6 we actually use. Boom. $156 per month saved. $1,872 per year. We told ourselves, we barely eat out. We cook at home most nights. The data said, you're lying to yourself. 4 to 7 times in 6 months. Average cost, $62 per meal. That's $2,914 in 6 months. Almost $6,000 per year. We weren't going to fancy restaurants. Just Chipotle, Panera, local spots. But $62 average because drinks, appetizers, tip. It adds up fast. We thought eating out was occasional. It was 3 times a week. If this is hitting close to home, smash that like button again, because it gets worse. 1-click ordering, free shipping with Prime, easy returns. It removes every barrier to buying. In 6 months, 73 Amazon orders, average $28 each. Total, $2,044. None of it over $40. All of it small purchases. Phone case, kitchen gadget, book, socks. Completely unnecessary. We were spending $4,000 per year on random Amazon junk. Now here's where it really gets interesting. Because in year 2, I catch something even more dangerous. Something that was destroying our finances without us even noticing. Year 2, my income goes up to $85,000. Our combined take-home increases from $90,000 to $96,000. We just got a $6,000 raise. You know what happened? We started spending more. New apartment, $200 more per month. We can afford it now. Better car, $80 more per month. We deserve it. Eating out more. We're making more money. Year 2 spending, $71,200. We made $6,000 more. We spent $6,756 more. Lifestyle inflation is real, and I caught it red-handed because of tracking. Comment below. Have you ever gotten a raise and somehow ended up with less money at the end of the month? Tell me I'm not alone. Year 3 is where everything changes. I implement brutal cuts. Eating out drops from 3 times a week to once a week. Save $4,000 per year. Amazon impulse purchases. I install a rule. Wait 48 hours before buying anything. 90% of the time, I forget about it. Save $3,200 per year. Downgrade the car. Saved $1,400 per year. Total savings from behavioral changes, $8,600 per year. Our spending dropped from $71,200 to $62,600. Now we're saving $33,400 per year. Finally, our savings rate matches our income. But the crazy part? The absolute game changer? It's not the big changes. It's what tracking does to your brain. And once you understand this, you'll never spend money the same way again. Years 4 and 5, tracking becomes automatic. Quick note on my phone after every purchase. Transfer to spreadsheet weekly. But here's what happens. The tracking creates friction. Before buying anything, I think, do I want to log this purchase? Often, the answer is no. So I don't buy it. That friction, that tiny moment of awareness, saves thousands. Impulse spending drops 70%. Not because I'm depriving myself. Because I'm conscious, aware, intentional. 5U totals blow my mind. Spent, $333,800 total. Average $66,760 per year. Saved and invested, $136,200 total. With market growth, $178,000. If I hadn't tracked, would have kept bleeding money like year 1. Saved maybe $24,000 total. Tracking added $112,000 to our net worth. Same income, just awareness. If your mind is blown right now, hit that like button one more time. And let me break down the 7 specific discoveries that changed everything. **1. Subscriptions add up faster than big purchases to $12 here, $15 there. Before you know it, $287 per month. Most people have no idea what they are spending on subscriptions. Track it. *2. Eating out destroys wealth to **, we thought occasional. Reality, 90 plus times per year, $6,000 gone. If we'd cut to weekly from day 1, we'd have saved $20,000 over 5 years. Invested, that's $27,000 today. **3. Amazon is dangerous to **, one click is designed to make you spend unconsciously. Before tracking, 150 plus orders per year. After 40 orders, save $3,000 annually. **4. Lifestyle inflation is automatic unless you track the **, income goes up, spending goes up to match. It happens unconsciously. Tracking makes it conscious. I caught raises turning into spending and redirected to savings. *5. Awareness changes behavior to *, just knowing I had to log purchases made me think twice. Impulse spending dropped 70% without feeling deprived. *6. Categories reveal priorities to *, we spent more on Amazon junk than health. More on eating out than experiences were remembered. Seeing it in black and white force changes. *7. Annual totals hurt to $3,444 on unused subscriptions sounds abstract. See it labeled total wasted, and it hurts. That pain creates change. So here's what I need you to do. And this is going to be uncomfortable, but it'll change your financial life. Track every dollar for 90 days. Not forever, just 3 months. Create categories: housing, transportation, food, entertainment, subscriptions, health, MISC. Log every purchase. Use an app if you want. I started with spreadsheets. After 90 days, you'll see patterns you can't unsee. For me, subscriptions, eating out, Amazon. Free categories, $9,000 per year wasted. For you, might be different, but you won't know until you track. The $178,000 we have invested today exists because of tracking. Without it, we'd have maybe $30,000. Tracking added $148,000 to our net worth over 5 years. Best decision I ever made. Tedious? Yes. Worth it? Absolutely. So here's my challenge. Comment below and commit. Say, I'm tracking for 90 days starting tomorrow. Public commitment creates accountability. And if this video just convinced you to start tracking, smash that like button and subscribe, because I'm breaking down more money experiments that actually build wealth. Asterisk, one more thing. The the biggest surprise after 5 years? I don't track obsessively anymore. The habit stuck. I don't impulse buy. I check subscriptions quarterly. I limit eating out consciously. The tracking taught me. Now it's automatic. That's the real power. Tracking isn't forever. It's just long enough to create awareness. And awareness creates lasting behavior change. Bottom line, 5 years of tracking revealed I wasn't bad with money. I was unconscious with money. $6 coffee times 200 per year equals $1,200. Doesn't feel like much per purchase. Looks huge in annual total. Tracking makes the invisible visible. If you're making decent money but struggling to save, track everything for 3 months. You'll find the leaks. Guaranteed. The $178,000 we have, that's tracking. That's awareness. That's the power of seeing where your money actually goes. Start today.